Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If Grok AI is not working on your Android phone, won't open, keeps crashing, or isn't responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, close the Grok app completely and then open it again. If you're using Grok through the X app, close and reopen the X app instead. This can fix small temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, try turning it off temporarily and check Grok again. Now, let's clear the app cache. Open Settings on your Android phone and tap Apps. Find and select Grok or X, depending on which app you're using. Then tap Storage and select Clear Cache. If the problem continues, go back to the same storage settings and tap Clear Data. Keep in mind that this may log you out of the app, so you'll need to sign in again. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for the Grok or X app. If an update is available, tap Update. An outdated version of the app can sometimes cause problems. You can also restart your Android phone. A simple restart can fix temporary system issues. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall the Grok or X app and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Then, sign in again and check if Grok is working properly. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Grok AI not working on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.